session? Yes, people. So, very happy International Women's Day to all of you. And Komal is with us, sharing her views कि हमें Women's Day celebrate करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. Yes, Komal, please बताइए. पहले आप बताओ अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा, फिर आप बताओ हमें
Yes, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Yes.
Good evening.
I'm going to say.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. My name is Komal Bhatia, and I am from Kanpur. We must every day celebrate Women's Day because women makes society, our society, and women are society's power. They makes society strong. Okay.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Yes, so we should celebrate. So as per Komal, she says we should celebrate it every day. Okay, fair enough. Yes. Next is I would open the mic for I have Titli. Yes, Titli, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Ayushi. I am from Odisha.
Okay, Ayushi.
मैम हमको ज्यादातर मम्मियों के लिए मनाना चाहिए क्योंकि ना वो इतनी काम करती है हमारे लिए, उनको तो एक दिन रेस्ट मिलना चाहिए.
Ayushi, we should speak in
कोई
English. Ayushi, I would interrupt. हमको ना इंग्लिश की आज कन्वर्सेशन करनी है. So try to speak in English, Ayushi.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think Ayushi was very small to take this topic. In that case, I really want to pick up another person. I see here is, okay, I have Sonam. Sonam, please unmute and talk. Sonam, can you unmute? Can you hear me? Okay, raise, okay. Try now, Sonam. अब try करो. Okay, in that case, I would pick up Anusha. Yes, Anusha, please talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, bolo.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
We have to celebrate the Women's Day, ma'am. It's necessarily for the society development, ma'am, because women are the pillar of the society, ma'am. If a man study, ma'am, the man alone will grow. The growth will be independent on the man's growth. If a man study, the man go to the business or the work, then he will benefit from this education. But when the women studies, when the women start to study, they can become a housewife, and they will lift the whole family. So women's education is much needed, and whatever the efforts they build in family wise or the society wise, they have to reward it for their efforts. So Women's Day celebration is very much important. Not only the celebration, we have to take the matter of women's empowerment seriously. Not only the celebration mode, they have to take the accountability of the issues also. So the Women's Day empowerment is needed, ma'am. That's why Women's Day celebration is very, very important. This will indicate the priority of the women's empowerment, ma'am. What are the things needed for the women's empowerment, ma'am? So the Women's Day is very, very important, ma'am. Celebration is also important in our society. And for our cultural development also, it's needed, ma'am.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. I fully agree. Yeah, I fully agree with you. Yeah, and I'm sure most of us would agree. Day in, day out, we do a lot of work. And we are so busy in the work that we are not, recognized. So one day we need in a year where our recognition should be there. Okay, great. Sonam, I'm trying to unmute. Now just try to unmute yourself. Sonam, try it again. Come on. Can you unmute now, Sonam?
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, I am Sonam from Rajasthan, Jaipur.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think we should celebrate Women's Day for our mothers, um, for our mothers, because they do their household work every day. They didn't get time to celebrate any single day. So we should celebrate Women's Day for mothers especially, and for all women, because they are doing they are they are doing their household work, and most of things they are doing in society, but no one appreciate her for their.
Okay.
So we should celebrate
Okay,
this
Sonam,
day.
so what have you done special for your mother? What special thing you have arranged for her today?
Ma'am, I have given I made pizza for my mother.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. See, I'm really happy. Great, great. So, yeah, of course, it's a cherishing time and very nicely spoke, Sonam. Good, very nicely you spoke. Keep on, still recording your voice and improvise, collect more vocabulary. I'm sure you'll do very good.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Okay, I'll just count five. I want the present students, इस batch के students, those who want to talk or contribute, or else I would pause the session here and I want you to go to the channel, revise the vocabulary and write the sentences. Okay, I have Meha. Yeah, Meha, unmute and speak. Be a little quick, Meha.
Hello,
Yeah,
hello, everyone can hear me?
yeah.
I am Neha from Delhi.
Okay,
Women's Day is on 8th March. It celebrates women's achievements and rights. A day to celebrate women's strength. Thank the women who inspire you. Read about strong women in history. Help women in businesses and dreams. Take time to feel proud of yourself. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity.
yeah, it was a really good message that you have given me. All of us, not only me, good message you have given. But थोड़ा record में ये recording भी डालूंगी in the channel. Listen, and I want all of you to understand the flow, fluency. हमने इन सारी चीजों के बारे में डिस्कस करा है. Okay? जितना आप खुद को रिकॉर्ड करोगे ना, उतना आपको क्लैरिटी मिलेगी अबाउट योर ओन फ्लुएंसी, वोकैबुलरी, द कनेक्शन, द सीक्वेंसिंग, ये सारी चीजें आप तब सीखोगे. Okay? Okay, now I have two more hands. Wow. One is Rakhi. Yes, Rakhi, pick up, please. Be a little quick.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
My name is Rakhi and I am from UP. Today
Okay.
is very special day. Women very important in your lives. Women are strong and brave. They can do anything they set their mind.
Okay. Rakhi, come close to the phone and speak, please. आपकी आवाज थोड़ी सी क्लियर नहीं है. Come close to the phone or system. और बोलिए, कंटिन्यू करिए.
मैम डाटा इशू हो रहा है.
Okay. Fair enough. But yeah, you tried. That's really nice. Yeah. Do you want to speak further? Okay. Great. Let me pick up another person. That is Priyanka. Please go on.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Society cannot be imagined without women. Whether it is a woman's contribution to society or their progress in the economic sector. That's why
Okay.
Women's Day is being celebrated across the country and the world today. Thank you, ma'am.
Great. So I see people are giving messages, right? Nice. Really good. But see, I really want कि आप उसको simplify करो everyone and just speak little more about, the session or the event. It looks like कि आप read कर रहे हो कहीं से लेके. It gives me a feeling as if you are reading something. Read मत करो. Speak your own skill out. People, bye for today. Good night. We catch up in the next week again. Keep revising.